Struggling to write your product descriptions? Still staring at a blank page? Wondering how to explain your digital product in a way that actually converts? You're not alone. For creators selling on Etsy, Shopify, Gumroad, or launching their own Notion templates, writing great product copy can feel like the hardest part. It takes time, energy, and let's be honest, even after all that work, it doesn't always lead to sales. That's why we built a smarter shortcut. Inside AI Creator Max, you'll find a tool called Product Descriptions. It's designed specifically for digital creators like you, people who sell Notion templates, downloadable resources, digital planners, or creative bundles. Instead of wasting hours trying to find the right words, this tool helps you write clear, professional product copy in just seconds. Let's walk through an example together. Say you're selling a Notion template for freelancers. It includes a client tracker, invoice generator, a project dashboard. It's fully customizable and beginner-friendly. You'd enter those details, along with keywords like freelance tools, Notion dashboard, and productivity. You'd also select your tone, professional, and confirm the language, English. Then you click Generate. In just a few seconds, AI Creator Max gives you a polished product description that's structured, persuasive, and ready to publish. You don't need to guess what to write. You don't need to hire a copywriter. You just use the tool, and you're done. What's great is how smooth the workflow is. You can rate the result with 5 stars if you like it. You can save the text to your email, copy it with one click, or even make quick edits on the spot. Everything is designed to save you time, while keeping your voice and goals in mind. And if you want to revisit a past version, the History tab on the sidebar lets you find all your previous results. No need to start from scratch. That's the power of using the right AI tool, built specifically for creators. Whether you're launching your first digital product or optimizing a full catalog, the Product Descriptions tool inside AI Creator Max helps you skip the stress, write better copy, and grow your sales faster. You can try it free right now at aicreatormax.com. The link's in the description. And here's a bonus tip before we wrap up. If you sell digital products, this one tool could save you hours every week and help your listings convert better with less effort.